Hi boys and girls, today you'll be taking ELA Quiz number 1. Let's get started. You will need to read the passage on your own. It's called The Case of the Missing Statue. Question number 1. What problem does Simon face in this story? A. He must figure out who went downstairs. B. He must figure out who opened the front door. C. He must figure out who ate the carrot cake. Or D. He must figure out who took the statue. Please pause the video to look back at this passage and then answer the best way that you can. Number 2. What is Mr. Jones's problem? A. He is afraid to go back to sleep during the storm. B. He thinks that Mr. Green has stolen his statue. C. He is wet and does not feel like answering all of Simon's questions. Or D. He wants some cake, but there is none left. Please stop the video now and go back to the passage to look for your answer. Number 3. The solution to the problem in the story is to A. Find out who is not telling the truth. B. Force Mrs. Smith to confess. C. Ask Mr. Green to leave. Or D. Convince the thief to steal again. Please pause the video, go back to the text, and locate your answer. Number 4 is a short answer question. So you will need to write your response following the RACE acronym. Restate, answer all the parts, cite your evidence, and explain your answer. So number 4, how does Simon solve the case? Use details from the story to support your answer. Please pause the video to go back to the text and record your answer. Number 5, where would you look to find the meaning of the word evidence? A, in a dictionary, B, in an encyclopedia, C, in an almanac, or D, in an atlas. Pause the video so you can make the correct choice. Number 6, to find the meaning of the word allergies, which guide words would you look under in a dictionary? So here's a sentence using the word allergies. I took a pill for my allergies, Mrs. Smith replied. Would you look under A, art and avenue, B, abacus and aggravate, D, aardvark through alligator, or D, angry through applesauce? Pause the video so you can take some time to think about your answer. Number 7, which word does not have a suffix? A, assignments, B, accuse, C, suspicious, D, consideration. Please pause the video. Next, you need to read a giant star to yourself. Question number 8. What is the main idea of the third paragraph in a giant star? The sun is made up of gases. B, animals and people eat plants. C, living things on Earth need the sun to survive. D, the sun is a star at the center of our solar system. Please pause to go back and find your answer. Number 9. Plants make their own food by A, turning the sun's energy into light and heat. B, using carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. C, saving oxygen that people breathe. Or D, revolving around the sun. Please pause the video to go back and find your answer. Number 10, what is the main idea of this passage? A, Earth and other planets orbit the sun. B, plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. C, humans survive in hot and cold temperatures. Or D, the sun controls what happens on Earth. Please pause to go back and find your answer. Number 11 is a short answer. Make sure you're using race to complete your written response. How does the sun affect the seasons on Earth? Use details from the passage to support your answer. Pause the video so you can write. Number 12, we're beginning our vocabulary section. The shimmer and sparkle of sunlight mark the beginning of a new day. Which word in the sentence tells you what shimmer means? A, sparkle, B, sunlight, C, mark, or D, new. Pause the video to complete your answer. Number 13. Earth's climate and temperature depend on the sun too. What other word in this sentence helps you figure out the meaning of climate? A, Earth's, B, temperature, C, depend, or D, sun. Pause the video to find your answer. Number 14. How many syllables does the word lumbering have? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, or D, 5. Pause the video to find your answer. Number 15. What is the simple subject of the sentence below? The three girls cannot find their red shirts. A, girls, B, find, C, red, or D, shirts. Pause the video to find your answer. Number 16. What is the complete predicate of this sentence? The cat and dog were sleeping on the couch. A, cat and dog, B, were sleeping, C, were sleeping on the couch, or D, on the couch. Pause the video to find your answer. 17. Which of the following sentences is a question? A, although purple is my favorite color, I like blue too. How do I get to the bus station from school? Please do not draw on the chalkboard. D, I thought it was supposed to snow today. Pause the video to find your answer. Number 18. Which of the following sentences is written correctly? Yesterday we went to the park and had a picnic. Yesterday we went to the park and had a picnic. Yesterday we went to the park and had a picnic. Or D, yesterday we went to the park and had a picnic. That is the end of quiz 1.